Welcome to the Family Guidelines. Today we will discuss about baking soda usage. Apply baking soda under your eyes. 5 minutes later, you will be amazed. We all are knowledgeable about the health and beauty advantages of baking soda. In this short article, we will show you the best ways to prepare an incredible homemade face mask that will leave your face steady, acne-free, smooth and softer than ever. Some of the health and charm benefits of baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is incredible against acne and pimples. It extracts any infection and helps loosening skin around blackheads, so you can extract them easily. It functions as a neutral antibiotic and erases acne scars and promotes the recovery procedure of skin susceptible to acne. Baking soda is among the best options for pores. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties and opens up pores. It absorbs excess oil from the skin and avoids pores from blocking. How to prepare baking soda face mask? This natural mask is extremely easy to prepare, and the very best thing is that you can make it in your own house, quick and easy. Simply mix 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon cold water. Apply this mixture on your face and leave it for 10 minutes. Later on, rinse with lukewarm water and apply your preferred oil-free moisturizer. Your face will be softer, smooth and hydrated. Try it out today and let us understand your result below in remarks. Thanks for watching Family Guidelines. Be sure to subscribe for more.